I thought I heard something, y'all.
Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out here in the backyard and it's getting dark, but I just wanted to see, like if we can find some shenanigans, after dusk, but before dark. Y'all, let's see if we can find something. All right, y'all, as usual, we're going to go ahead and start by the aloe vera. And I'm recording in the evening. It is, let's see if you could see. So I'm gonna just go down here. I'm recording the aloes, but I am paying attention to me not falling in the pool and making a fool of myself. I don't want to get too close to anything, really. I have an update. I think I might have mentioned this in some of my replies to some comments in the comment section of some of my recent videos, but the orange grasshopper that used to be in this tree is gone. It met its demise, and that is going to help me out for a project that I am trying to take on in the next couple weeks. To my knowledge, we didn't have anything growing in an orange tree, so that one is still safe. But if you notice, I did cut off quite a few of the dead branches. We do have some new growth coming in. If you can see, like the green light branch right there, so it's some new growth coming in, and that shows me that the tree is healthy. If you look at this spot right here, I hope you can see it. I am starting to mark out spots in the yard. So the project is, I'm gonna be moving the trees, a couple of my trees, and I am praying that they survive the transplant shock that I'm gonna be doing in a few weeks. But I still have to dig the holes, I have to water the holes, I have to put plant food, in them before I even begin digging up the tree. So in this spot is gonna be a new avocado plant. This cherry tree, I'm actually gonna move it all the way to the end closest to the fence. I think so we're losing our light. But I'm gonna be moving the tree all the way down to the end, on the front fence side of the other cherry tree. And this orange tree, I'm actually gonna move that past the apple tree, past the lemon tree, into this spot that I'm preparing right here. So this will be where the orange tree will be transplanted to. Again, I'm praying that it survives. And then the cherry tree that is all the way on the end there, closest to the aloe vera plants in the pool, that is actually going to be here in this spot that I'm preparing. But like I said, I still have to dig up all of these areas. I have to water the area, I have to treat them, and that's going to take a while. And after I prepare the new location is when I'll begin trimming down, cutting the roots, and actually digging up the tree to move it to the new spot. It is a process, and it's supposed to take a couple weeks, if you want to do it to give your tree the best chance of survival. And this cherry tree right here, it's been looking kind of sad for a few days. I have been watering them. I watered them this morning. I think I skipped the day on purpose because I didn't want to overwater them. Here in the garden, So these 2 little tomatoes, you remember not that long ago, I mean, it was like less than a week ago that there was 2 little green, little nubs, and now they, kind of orange and stuff like that. I don't know. I might pop them off and just rinse them off and pop them in my mouth. I don't think, they are very small. As you can see, even the biggest one is real small. The green pepper is now like orange. So I think it's time for me to take that off and use it. I was supposed to take it off that one day a couple weeks ago, and I said that I was cooking red beans actually, but I didn't have red beans, so that's why I didn't come back and get it. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm probably gonna pull that off tomorrow when I have better light so I can see. I don't think I have anything on the banana pepper, the yellow pepper. Yeah, yellow pepper. I don't have anything on that. I saw a flower, I think a week or so ago. But I see, you know what? So you see this right here, if you can see it, that means that there is a worm. And what they do is, I forgot, I don't know if it's called a worm or if it's called something else. But what they do is they dig, and they are like just under the surface of the leaf. So like the insects and stuff that would normally eat them can't get them because they buried under the leaf. But they eat the leaf. It's supposed to be more cosmetic than anything else. But this is causing like damage to the leaf. And eventually to the plant. So that leaf, I'm probably just gonna cut it off. But I have to find something to spray on my plants if I'm trying to, have them survive through the next month or so, because the season is pretty much over. I mean, it's October. Where I am though, it's warm, and we actually have a heat wave coming up. Another heat wave, y'all, in October. This is my watermelon plant. I know my little watermelon is somewhere around here. Y'all, hold on, let me see if I can do the flashlight thing. Oh, can't turn on the flashlight because it's being used by another app. What other app? The lemon tree is looking a little bit better. I see more yellow on my lemons, which means that they are growing and developing. For the apple tree, plenty of apples. I have to get some of these apples out the tree. So the last time there were 2 large, well, 1 large and 1 medium grasshopper and that green spider. And the green spider had like 100 babies with it. Well, those are no longer in the tree. But I don't know if anything else is in the tree. But I have some apples that I really need to pick and get out of the tree. So I will be doing that soon. So far, y'all, and I don't know, maybe it's just because I can't see. Look like we done had a safe a safe little trip in the backyard tonight. But yeah, it's getting dark. I'm thinking about covering the pool because when it gets hot like that, the sun and the heat, they just evaporate the water from out the pool. And obviously then we have to refill it, because if you let the water get too low, it'll mess with the mechanics of the pumps and stuff in the pool. So you have to keep the water at a certain level. So to help with that, I think I'm gonna cover the pool tomorrow morning, so nothing flew out and attacked me, y'all. I'm scared to say it. But we still have wasps, and now what I understand is that they might not be wasps, they might be hornets. Yes indeed, y'all. You know the fun just don't stop. The shenanigans never end in this backyard. I gotta see how this video turned out to see if I'm even gonna upload this. But alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for tonight's backyard shenanigans. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.